So hey guys, this is Mies, and in this video we are going to solve the day 3 intro to conditional statements in the 30 days of code on the HackerRank. Okay, so first of all I'm going to give you the answer of your questions that is asked by many of you, that no matter what is the what the website you are using for solving any particular problem, because there are many websites available on the internet that are going to be give you the problems on some coding challenges as well. Okay, so just stick with one programming language and one website and solve all the problems that present on the website. So that will give you a power to increase your more knowledge into the coding part as well, and will help you to crack the coding interviews. Okay, if you are searching for other website as well, uh, only one website can help you to grow more faster. Okay, so that's the thing that I need to, or I want to share with all of you. Okay, so in this video, first of all, we are going to understand about the problem. So in this problem we have given an integer. Okay, and we need to check that if the n is odd or if n is even. Okay, so if the value of the n is odd, then we just need to print the weird message on the output screen, and if the value of n is even and it is range between 2 to 5, then we need to print not weird. Okay, this is just a simple problem. Okay, so if the n is even and also greater than or equals to the 6 and less than 20, then we need to print weird message on the output screen. Okay, and if the value of n is even and greater than 20, then we need to print not weird on the output screen, and that's why we have the if and else condition in this problem. Okay, so what we have, I have some my code. Okay, and first of all we have take the input from the user. Because I'm using the Python 3, then I need to convert it into the integer variable, because all the values come from the input function is going to be the string. Okay, so then we have store in the capital N variable. Okay, and then we have check n for that is module by 2 if it is not equals to the 0, because it is not a even value. Okay, so if it is not a even value, then we need to print the weird message on the output screen, and if the value of the n is even, then we need to check for 3 cases. Okay, first of all we need to check for the if the value of n is greater than or equals to the 2, and then we have check for n is less than 5. We can also give the equals to part in the 5 as well, but we don't need to do this, because if the value of the n is odd, that is 5, then it will take the if part. Okay, so we don't need to include in that part as well. Okay, so if the value of n is greater than or equals to 2 and less than or equals to 5, then we need to print the not weird message on the output screen, and if the value of n is greater than or equals to the 6 and less than or equals to the 20, then we need to print the weird message. Okay, why we need to take the equals to part? This is because 20 is a even numbers, that's why we need to include this. Okay, and then we need to check if the value of n is greater than 20, then we need to print the not weird. Okay, so that's it. This is just the code that I have written, and then we need to run this code. I hope all the test cases will pass, and we need to submit the code as well. Okay, so that's it. This is just a simple problem. I hope you can understand my code as well. You can also check out the link that is given in the description section as well. And that's it for this video. We'll meet you in the next video very soon with another problem and another solution as well. Okay, so that's it for this video. Bye bye, and see you again.